Hello, good evening. Hi, good evening. Hello, hi Snigdha. Hi VK. Hi Arita. Thank you for joining. Good evening. We'll wait for a few more people to join us. You all are so kind to join me today. I'm very excited because now my book is available and live on Amazon. You can go ahead and buy it. Hi Prachi. Hello Art Shri Gajanan. Hello Ajit Kumar. Good evening everyone. Thank you for joining. Hi. Good evening. So my book is now live and available on Amazon. I'm just going to go ahead and explain to you how you can go ahead and find it on Amazon. The book is titled The Art of Being Grateful and Other Short Stories. So you can simply type in The Art of Being Grateful and you will find the book in the list. Hi Sid Reviews. Thank you for joining. So as I was saying, you can go to Amazon and type in the name of my book, which is The Art of Being Grateful, and it will be the first book that comes in the list. If not that, you can simply type in my name, which is Manali Desai. If you type in Manali Desai also, it is the second book which comes on the list. I am just going to go ahead and show it to you guys. See, this is the book that I am talking about. So you type in my name, Manali Desai, and this is the book that we are talking about, which has just been released, The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. And here it is live. Since I have already bought the book, I don't need to download it again, but when you go to Amazon, there will be an option of buy now. You can go ahead and click on it to buy the book, or you can download the sample chapter, whatever you wish. Hi Sandeep, hi Sana, hello Shilpa, thank you all for joining. You all are so kind. The Winking Owl, thank you. So as I was saying, you can go ahead and buy my book from Amazon. You need to simply type in my name, Manali Desai, and the second book that shows up, which is The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. That is the book which has been released today. It is now available and you can go ahead and buy it. Do you guys have any questions regarding this? I will be happy to answer them, whatever questions you have about the book, about me as a writer, my profession, anything. So I am now going to show you all what the cover of the book looks like. This is I. New people have joined in. Thank you. Teri Meri Baate. Thank you for joining. This is what the cover of the book looks like. Can you see it, guys? The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. So once you see the cover on Amazon, you will be able to understand that this is the book that I have been promoting since the past 15 days. You have all been so kind in engaging on my post related to the release. And yeah, so now it is available live. You can go ahead and buy it, tell me your thoughts, and if you would like to read a sample chapter, you can either thank you Sid Reviews. Sid has said the cover looks great. Thank you. I hope you like the book as well. So yes, thank you all for engaging on my post and being so kind and waiting patiently for the book. I am truly grateful, and I really hope that the hype that I have created around the book lives up to what the book actually is all about. I am now going to go ahead and read a few paragraphs from one of the stories which was popularly awaited. I asked a few people which story they were most excited about. Hello, Temptation of Words. Thank you for joining. So I asked a few of you which story you were most excited about, and most of the people said it was self happiness about all. And so I'm going to go ahead and read a few paragraphs from that story. I hope you all will like it. Hi Priya, thank you for joining. Meanwhile, if you guys have any questions related to the book, please ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. This is self happiness above all. 2003. I ignored the many eyes looking at me questioningly. Being different from most people my age, I was used to people staring at me. But this was a new low. I was a bespectacled teenager who also happened to be short and chubby. You know the type of girl people usually assume to be studious and academically brilliant. And so far, I had been able to pull that image off quite well. However, the result of the most important academic year of my life had just been declared, and with it, even the supposed myth of my academic brilliance had been busted. Everyone had been expecting me to come out with flying colors in the board year, but I had secured a measly 63%. Turns out, I neither had beauty nor brains. How would I survive these pitying looks? And more importantly, how was I to prove my worth now? So that's about the beginning of the story. Thank you, congratulations Manali. Temptation of words is saying congratulations Manali, thank you. Hi Vidhi, thank you for joining. Thread 101 official, thank you for joining. If you guys have any questions related to the book, happy publication day. Thank you Sid. So I just read out a few paragraphs from one of my stories. I hope you guys, the story looks promising. Thank you Sid. So I just read out a few paragraphs from one of my stories, which is Self Happiness Above All. This video will be put up on YouTube as well. You can catch me reading the few paragraphs that I just read on there. When can this be bought? Akshat is asking. Akshat, this can be bought on Amazon. It is already live on Amazon. You can simply go to Amazon and type in my name, Manali Desai, and the second book that shows up under my name, The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. That's the book that I just read out from, and it has been released today. It is available on Amazon in the ebook format. It is priced at 49 rupees. You can go ahead and buy it, and do share your reviews with me whenever you read whatever you read and whenever you have completed reading it. Oh, when will we get your signed copy? Oh. Actually, unfortunately, the book is currently not going to be available in the paperback format. You will have to buy the ebook. So I am sorry, paperback signed copy will not be possible at the moment. So sorry to disappoint you. And which is your favorite story? My favorite story is Love in the Air. So I am really excited about that. I have tried to do something different over there, and I hope the readers will also enjoy it as much as I enjoyed writing it, because that was quite a challenge for me. The Book Charm has joined. Thank you, Book Charm. Thread Official 101 is saying, you rock girl. Thank you. Thank you, Rutuja. Okay. I will buy it today, Akshat is saying. Thank you, Akshat. I would really appreciate if you can share your reviews with me on Amazon, on Goodreads, or you can just drop me a personal mail on my email ID through my blog, which is arusticmind.com. I really look forward to what your thoughts are about the book. How many stories do you have in this collection? I have 8 stories in this collection, and they are all of various genres, really from romance to horror to mystery to thriller, all sorts of genres. And there is a little surprise for everyone as well. Besides the 8 stories, you might find something more also. So please go ahead and read it and share your thoughts with me. The Pink Box, Amolika, thank you for joining. Ruh Calligraphy has also joined. Thank you all for joining. I Short stories. Now, yes, they are all short stories. In fact, they are not even short stories. You can call them flash fiction because they are from a range of 300 words to 2000 words. Do we see a Harry Potter in the book background? Oh, yes, there is a Harry Potter book. Thank you. Oh, you are very smart for pointing that out and noticing this. Yes, there is a Harry Potter book in the background. It's the Harry Potter and Goblet of Fire. So, if you have any more questions for me, I would be happy to answer them. Do let me know in the comments. I am going to be live for another 2 to 3 minutes because I have already revealed the cover, and I have also read out from one of my stories. It's really exciting. Thank you, Vidhi. You can also let me know in the comments if you would like me to read a few more paragraphs from any other story. I am here available for 2-3 more minutes, and if you guys want me to read something else, I will go ahead and read it. Let me know in the comments, please. For those of you who joined later, I am going to show you all the cover again. This is what the cover looks like. This is the cover of my book which just released today. It is called The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. You can go ahead on Amazon and buy it. Oh, you want me to read from the horror? Okay. Okay, I will read a few paragraphs from the horror story. Someone has asked a question. I am going to first answer that. How do you manage to keep yourself so motivated? Temptations of Word is asking me, how do you manage to keep yourself motivated? That's an interesting question because being a writer can be very demotivating in terms of financial income that comes in from this profession. I keep myself motivated by the reviews that come in on my work. It's not just about my published books. Whatever little blog, whether it is a blog post or any newsing that I have put up on my Instagram or Facebook, and when I get DMs saying that it made their day, or when I get any kind of message which says your writing is very good, it makes us feel happy, it makes us think about what we do. That's my biggest motivation to go on. The cover looks brilliant. It's such a beautiful cover. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Temptation of Words. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Okay, Akshat has also asked me who is your favorite author. I think that has been revealed already because you could see me holding this book. So J.K. Rowling. But since you have asked me the question, I would also like to inform you that I have not read any of her other books or any other series. I only followed her Harry Potter series, and I have not read any other book of hers. So I don't think that's fair to say that she's my favorite author because I have not really read more of her work. In Indian authors, if you would ask me, I would say Arundhati Roy. I have read 3 of her books and all of them were wonderful, and she's one of the most inspiring authors for me. One para would be fine. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and read from the horror story. I hope you guys will like it. A few new people have joined in. Thank you for joining, everyone. Oh my god, you guys are loving the cover. Thank you so much. Even I fell in love with the cover when the few options that came in. I fell in love with this one, the first thing. But there was another one which I wanted very desperately to put, and that is the cover for As You Please. A few people were of the opinion that that cover would look like a cookery book cover, so we had to let go of it. I don't mind because this cover has turned out to be brilliant, and as I can see from your comments, you guys love it too. So I'm happy that I didn't choose that cover and I went ahead with this. I'm going to go ahead and read from the horror story in the book. So this story is titled Warned in Love, and it is the first story itself in the book. It starts with a song by Ariana. I can't sing as well as her, so you will have to go ahead and read that in your reading whenever you buy the book. The shrill sound of Ariana's voice, set as her ringtone, woke Ashna from her deep slumber. Grrr, go to sleep, man. Who calls at this hour? She grumbled. After fumbling in the darkness of the room for a while, and with eyes half open, Ashna grabbed the phone from the side desk and saw that it was an unsaved number. Wondering who it could be, she picked up. Her ears immediately exploded with the shrill noise coming from the caller's end. It seemed to be the sound of someone howling, along with a faint banging noise. The howling sound seemed faintly familiar. It stopped after a while, and while she could hear deep and shallow breaths, as the voice from the other end asked timidly, "Hello? Ashna, is it you?" A chill ran down Ashna's spine. It wasn't just a familiar voice, it was her own voice. That's it. I can't read out more because then I'll be giving out the suspense of the story. Hi Samiksha. Hello Krisha's Craft Hub. Thank you for joining. I have read out a few paragraphs from two of my stories now, so you guys can go ahead and check out the book, which is now live and available and on Amazon under the title The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. If you can't find it by typing in that, you can simply go ahead and type Manali Desai. It's the second book with the pink cover. You are such a good narrator. Thank you, Vidhi. So that's about it for today's live. I am going to one more time show you all the cover which everyone has loved so far. For the new people who joined in now, I'm going to reveal the cover again. This is what our cover looks like. The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. And if you go on Amazon, this is what it will look like. The Art of Being Grateful and Other Stories. I hope you guys will check it out, and I look forward to your thoughts on it. Thank you guys, you have been so kind to join me. Booked for Books also joined. Thank you for joining. So Samiksha is saying super pretty. Thank you, Samiksha. I hope you guys will like the content of the book as much as you have appreciated the cover. Thank you all for joining, and that's about it. I look forward to your reviews on the book. Thank you for joining me today. I am very happy, so I'm going to go ahead and celebrate my publication day. Bye bye. Thank you for joining me.